Welcome to Kenosha, everybody. We're going to get started with the national anthem. We ask all that are able to please rise and remove your hats. And that's what our show is about, the Kenosha Homecoming Car Show. It's about the people of Kenosha that have poured in so much blood, sweat, and tears for building these cars and then really building our community to what it is today. So it's a bittersweet moment as I stand here tonight thinking about the history of American Motors, all of the people that worked in the factory. I don't think there's many people in Kenosha that don't have some tie to this site. 108 years of manufacturing, and here we are in 2025. The last car rolled off the line in 1988, and Kenosha is still an automobile city. At this time, I'd like to welcome John Drew, a past president of UAW Local 72, to come and give a few remarks. Welcome, John.
Thank you, Chris. Okay, this is crazy. When we were working on the line, and the final assembly line was right over there to your left, it was the last thing that I thought that people all over the world would fall in love with our cars and come back to Kenosha for a homecoming. All I was thinking about was like the next car coming down the line. And believe it or not, when we were building the Pacer, and the Pacer was just taking off, we were doing 75 cars an hour on 2 shifts. Now, the good thing about that was you didn't have very much to do on each car. The bad thing is you had like no time to do it. Okay, so it was one after another. So generations of Local 72 members worked here.
How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Good, good.
Good. We'll see you down there tomorrow.
Yeah.
Hey, how are you?
How are you?
Good.